Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Oscar Outdoors. In this one I want to talk to you about the Wuben C5 EDC light. As in the little intro, I want to talk to you about the Wuben C5 EDC light. Now you can see on screen now that the box is just a little over the size of my index finger and thumb outstretched in an L shape. So yeah, let's have a look and see what we get inside here. So you've got some clearly labelled boxes there to tell you what's in what. So obviously we have the torch, and I think this is a little light diffuser. So let's have a look. So we've got the destruction manual. And then this is the torch itself. It's opted for like the silvery sort of blue, metallic blue. It's just one button operation and housing a battery inside there, and then obviously space for a little lanyard on here. Okay, in this box, as I said, a couple of little O-rings, the lanyard, and I think a light diffuser in here. So yeah, a little light diffuser, and then the lanyard clip, and then the USB micro rechargeable cable. Right, let's have a proper look at it. Okay, let's run through some specifications and technical parameters. So it's got 6 different modes, ranging from moon at 1 lumen, low at 30 lumens, medium at 150 lumens, and high between 3 and 700 lumens. SOS operates at 150 lumens. So the battery type is a 14500 lithium ion rechargeable battery with a port on the battery to recharge from there, and run times with it are on screen now. So beam distance maximum is 126 meters. It's been drop tested to 1.5 meters, and it's got a 3940 candela rating, and it's waterproof to IP65 standards. So the weight of it is 35 grams, or 1.23 ounces without the battery, or 57 grams or 2.01 ounces with the battery. So the diameters are 87.5 millimeters long by 21.5 millimeters wide, or 3.45 inches by 0.85 inches. And battery options, obviously we've listed the 14500, but it can also be operated with a standard AA alkaline battery. Okay, so just before we get into some beam shots, I just want to show you this. It's actually a magnetic tail switch, and obviously the C5 logo just on the bottom there, so you can hear the click, and obviously picking up this little drill gauge that I had in my location. So yeah, right, let's get to it. Okay, so to operate this, it's just one button operation, and that's activated now in moonlight mode, which is an output of 1 lumen, a runtime of 120 hours in the 14500 battery when it's fully charged. But yeah, how this works is a press and hold, or long press, whatever terminology you like to use. So yeah, a press and hold, and then it'll do a stepped change rather than, you know, like a ramped mode where it's slowly progressively gets to its highest mode. The stepped mode is literally, you know, from low to medium, from medium to high, and it'll become apparent when we do the beam shot. So yeah, let's do that now. Okay, so as you can see, I've killed my lighting, so we're just going to go ahead and operate this. So one simple press to activate, and it should come on into moonlight mode. Again, that's a 1 lumen output, and you can see that we've got the blue flashing on the Wuben logo there. I'll go through that in a minute. From here, press and hold, and you'll see it go all the way through in like a stepped mode, and when it gets to the end, it'll do a little flash and return to moonlight. So I'll do that now, and then we'll go through each mode. So I'll press and hold. Okay, so it cycled through there from moonlight to low to medium to high, and then back to moonlight. So yeah, this is the moonlight mode again. So I'm going to press and hold and then let go once we get to low. Okay, so this is low mode, 30 lumen output. And press and hold it again. And then this is the medium on 150 lumen output. Press and hold again. And this is the high. This is between 3 and 700 lumen output, depending on the strength of the battery. This one is fully charged. I did charge it before I started this review, so this would be around about 700 lumens for you. Okay, right, let's see if we can get into SOS. So I think this is actually just a strobe rather than SOS. It's listed as SOS in the instruction manual, but it's more of a tactical strobe, so I do apologise. Okay, as you can see, I've now put the light diffuser on, so I'm going to kill my interior lights. We're actually in moonlight mode here, and just give you a quick show of my desk. Okay, from moonlight, press and hold. It's low. Press and hold again, medium. And press and hold again. Double tap for strobe. Sorry, this is the high mode. I missed that one off, didn't I? High mode is 700 lumen. And then double tap for strobe. Okay, let's get outside then. Alright, so welcome back everyone. We'll come outside now to do some beam shots of the Wuben C5 sort of miniature EDC. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to do the beams up on a wall that's behind me. I hope you can see it okay. And then I'll flash all the lumens and things on screen. So yeah, just come to the side and I'm just going to do one simple press to activate the torch. Wow. Let's cycle through till we get to low mode. Alright, so yeah, we're in low mode now. Now I can see that reflect on the wall, can you? I don't think you can you? Just show you that it is on. So yeah, that's, yeah, sorry, the moon mode, isn't it? The moon mode, this one. The 1 lumen output. So I'll press and hold and step to the next, which is low. You can see the beam coming from the end of the torch, and you can see that we are lighting up some of the wall there. Again, the camera doesn't do it justice. The naked eye can see a lot clearer, and I can see phenomenally there. Press and hold again for medium. Look at that for a miniature EDC light. Press and hold again for high. For a torch of this size, that is one powerful beam, isn't it? Yeah. I think it's under 20 pounds at the moment as well. Okay, and then press again, it should go back to moon. So yeah, we're back on moonlight mode. So now I'm going to do strobe warning on the screen. And we should be going on to strobe now. Look at that. Okay, so this is one that I figured out after reading the instructions. So we're going to go into SOS. So from strobe, double click again. And this is your blinking SOS. Again, I'll flash everything up on screen for you. Alright, let's turn it off. Alright, so we're still outside doing some beam shots with the Wuben C5 EDC. So I'm just going to get it into moonlight mode for you. And then come to the side. So yeah, moonlight mode, you can see that it's on. And then I don't know if you can pick that up on camera or not, but I can see probably somewhere between 8 and 10 metres in front of me. And I'm sort of reflecting off a puddle, but you can see that. Okay, and then press and hold to go on the step. This is your low mode. Again, sign in the distance, I can see this reflecting off. And that's probably 30 to 40 metres away roughly. This area that I'm normally in is about 110 metres long. And then press and hold again. And you can see that's a bit significantly different, isn't it? You can, again, fog's doing me a favour and showing the beam up a little bit better. And last one, high mode. Again, for an EDC, this is projecting brilliantly. Alright. So yeah, let's get you back inside. Okay, so I just forgot to mention this bit. So when I turn the torch on, you can see that we've got a blue flash there. So if the battery is 90% or above, the blue light will stay on constantly and then turn off after 5 seconds. 90% down to 40%, it will be flashing as it was, and then off after 5 seconds. Between 40 and 15%, a red light comes on and off after 5 seconds, and 15% all the way down to 0, the red light flashes. So yeah, this has been my review of the Wuben C5 700 lumen EDC flashlight. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, comment, let me know what you think about this EDC torch, and if you're not already, please subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.